IQAN Design is the main control program writing tool in the IQAN Creative Suite. IQAN Design is used to write programs to control virtually every aspect of a machine's operation. Utilizing CAN bus technology, this platform allows us to bring together components such as engines, transmissions, displays, and joysticks, as well as the ability to control many different types of outputs, such as digital, proportional current, and PWM. A wide variety of inputs are also accessible within IQAN Design to receive information from many types of sensors. We can also use the CAN bus technology to connect to a wide variety of expansion modules based on the specific needs of the application. Here is the main screen for IQAN Design version 7. The setup is fairly intuitive with the window divided into 3 main sections. On the left side of the screen is the Project Manager pane. This is used to divide the program into logical groups and to access devices and signals throughout the program. On the right is the Property Inspector pane, which is used to define parameters and set values within the selected device or function block contained within the program. The large pane in the center is the editor, where the program logic is created. We're currently on the top level tab, or the System tab, which is where you'll create the bus architecture and select the modules used in the application. There is also a help screen in the lower right-hand corner. By clicking on any of the components, function blocks, or buses, it will give you information about that element. As you can see, we're still on the system layout page. The MD512 is our 12-inch touchscreen display. It's a display module with 3 configurable CAN ports and is fully programmable with camera support. In this program, CAN bus A is used as a diagnostic bus to interconnect with the MC43 and our Bluetooth gateway. The D bus is used to connect to the engine, and the E bus is used for communication with the display. You can also add an expansion bus if needed. As previously stated, the Property Inspector is on the right-hand side of the page. The Property Inspector shows the parameters of any of the modules, components, or function blocks that are selected. In the MC43 System Layout tab, you can see all the existing inputs and outputs. You will still see current and PWM inputs and outputs that were available with XC modules, but MC43s have a much wider range of options. There are high and low side outputs, current inputs, and 0 to 32 voltage inputs. Also, digital inputs have been changed to be pull down or pull up. To make it less visually overwhelming, they've added the ability to only show available or occupied pins. This is the application page where the machine programming resides. This page contains a range of function blocks that actually define the program. The typical layout would be inputs and function parameters to the left, outputs to the right of the panel, and all of the math and instructions to run the program in the middle. Every function block has a specific control purpose with its own set of rules and parameters. This is where you can create the instructions, rules, and limits for that block. IQAN Design software also contains the application to create display screen pages and to define buttons for the touchscreen. This is accomplished through different pull-down menus which lead you to an assortment of lamps, gauges, and other screen elements you can use to convey information. This is all connected to the program using the Property Inspector, where you can connect to the different blocks and conditions that you want to use to trigger events and provide information. Here you can see all the modules that are supported in version 7, including gateway modules used for telematics. Under Legacy modules, you will see that XA2 and XS2 modules are still available. This was intended to allow you to migrate an existing program from version 5 to version 7 without automatically losing the original modules before you swap them out for the newer modules. Version 7 also includes some newer security features, including connectivity controls, such as when to allow remote connections to the program.